Today in this video, I will show you how to get your UK share code for your provisional driving license application or prove your right to work or renting a house in England. First, open any browser and search for UK share code. Then you will see a few options to top of the search result, like prove your right to work for an employee, get a share code. And the second one is view and prove your immigration status, get a share code. Now I want to click to the second one, view and prove your immigration status, get a share code. Once you are on the page, click start now. Then you will be asked to select your ID type. I'm select passport. Then passport number and date of birth. Now continue and wait for the security code, which one you received in your email or your phone number. Once you get it, type into the security box. Now you are logged into the UKVI account. At the bottom of the page, you will see the option to get a share code. Now click on that. Now this is the question, why you need the share code? There are three options. One is prove your right to work. Second is prove your right to rent in England. And number three is prove your immigration status for anything else. So if you need the share code for driving license, choice or select prove your immigration status. For anything else, it will cover like a driving license, study, or council housing, etc. If you need to prove your right to work, select that one, I mean the top one. And if you need the share code for renting in England, choose the middle one. Now this is a very important tip. If you get a share code for right to work, it will be start with the capital W. Please remember capital W. And if you get the share code for renting in England, it will be start with the R, capital R. And if you get the share code for provisional driving license or driving license, it must start with the capital S, capital S. So I hope this video helped you to get your UK share code. If you find any help, hit the like button, and if you want, subscribe. Thanks for watching.